So check it out. Still going through some of the items I've been able to pick up from the Brian Gergel collection. I'm friends with the guys that are handling it, and so I've been trying to help them out with looking at boards and testing things and such. So one of the things they sold me, they kind of a build-your-own switcher kit. This thing was in parts, and so I was able to get a couple of trucks, and also I had to put the board in it. It's got a Lionel board that we were able to get to work, and it looks like it's pretty much original, except the customizer added a bell, and I'm not sure exactly what that is. I thought it was a brake wheel, but probably something else I'm not sure of, maybe even an antenna. And it looks like they also framed in around here so it wasn't so open, which actually I think makes it look really nice. And there's interior lighting. I added a 19-volt LED, 5mm for the front headlight. And we also have another rotating searchlight, this Lehigh Valley, that Brian must have customized. And one of my favorite things that he did was a Lehigh Valley caboose. I'll bring it up here so you can look at it. Okay, let's turn the camera a little bit, and we put it here in neutral. And he added some nice interior lighting. He also has some really tiny LEDs in the back for the marker lights. So we're going to take it for a spin. Let me turn the camera this way again so you can see the train coming around. And you can check it out. Here we go. K-Line's revolving searchlights are actually pretty cool looking. I really like them. I've already showed the one that has the minions on it. So this is the second one that I bought. And a couple of boxcars that Brian Gergel customized. And one thing, those DC can motors in it, they run really smooth. And we'll pick the camera up this time around, just kind of follow it around a little bit. There we go. The revolving searchlight. And then we'll bring it back. And we'll set the camera down this time around. We'll do it carefully. There we go. All right. Okay, I'm glad I was able to put this together. It was kind of a lot of fun. It's a little challenging because the wiring can be kind of tricky on some of these K-lines. They didn't wire the trucks the same way, as sometimes the red wire and the black wire have to be reversed, as well as also there's a yellow and a blue wire that goes to the motor, so you have to watch polarity that way. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.